T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition, engines full power, and liftoff. Go SpaceX, go Falcon, go CRS.
Vehicles pushing downrange.
And we have liftoff. NASA's SpaceX 31st commercial resupply mission is on its way to the International Space Station, carrying science, supplies, and the spirit of exploration.
Now, during ascent, we will tilt or gimbal the engines, guiding the rocket into what we call a gravity turn. Now, during this turn, the vehicle is flying both up and horizontally away from the launch pad. The rocket
Power telemetry nominal.
typically needs to go 17,500 miles per hour horizontally in order
Falcon 9 is supersonic.
avoid getting pulled back down to Earth.
Max Q.
There's that call up for max Q. That's the maximum aerodynamic pressure that the vehicle will see during ascent. There's main engine cutoff.
Main engine cutoff. Stage separation confirmed.
Stage separation.
Stage 2 startup.
Stage 1 boost startup.
And there you can see a beautiful view of the concurrent second stage engine start along with the start of that first stage boost back burn. And really cool views from the second stage the engine there and the first stage. Now, if you're just joining us, the first stage on your left is in the middle of its boost back burn, which is the first of 3 burns designed to take the first stage back down to Earth to our landing zone 1. And the second stage is in its burn, carrying Dragon and the CRS-31 mission towards its intended orbit.
Stage 1 boost back shutdown.
There is the end of that boost back burn.
Stage 1 entry burn.
There is the start of the stage 1 entry burn. And this is a 3-engine burn of the first stage, slowing the first stage down as it comes back home to
Stage 1
Earth.
entry burn shutdown.
Stage 1 FTS is saved.
And there is that call out for a good entry burn and the flight termination system being saved. Really cool views of the nighttime on the Cape Canaveral coast. The first stage that supporting today's mission has performed this entry burn for the 5th time. And Falcon 9 is the world's first orbital class reusable rocket. And this is important because it allows us to reuse the most expensive parts of the rocket, which drives down the access to space. We should see that landing burn starting in just a few moments.
Stage 1 landing burn.
There is the start of the stage 1 landing burn.
Stage 1 landing leg deploy. Stage 1 landing is confirmed.
What a beautiful view
Stage
of
2
that
terminal guidance.
first stage landing. And
Stage 2 shutdown.
there is that call out for SECO 1. You can see that MVAC engine slowly cooling off. Dragon separation here in just a few moments.
Dragon separation confirmed.
There is confirmation of Dragon separation. You could just see it floating away there.